Hello fall, hello everybody, this is Miss Jackie Russell and it's time to find our winner of the Hello Fall collaboration. This collaboration had like 18 channels and I hope you all had a chance to go see all the different variety ideas of fall. There were so many different ones, including beauty, there were hauls, there were crafts, there were just all kinds of things. But we're gonna pop over here to the YouTube comment picker and we are going to find out who our winner is. We have our URL in, we have our comments, and our secret word was Hello Fall, and 7 plus 3 is 10. And let's get our comments here, and I want to thank you all for participating. We had 60 comments. That is wonderful. Thank you all for participating. We're gonna hop over here and find out who our winner is. And I want to thank you again for supporting this collaboration and for all the comments, and we just love doing it, and it looked like you all loved it too, and we really appreciate you. So let's find out who the winner is and get this party started. Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Deb's Craft Table. Let's see what she has to say. Hi, Miss Jackie. I'm really enjoying this Hello Fall collab. That's a great decor box. Thank you for sharing, and I hope you have a blessed day. Well, Deb, you have a blessed day, and congratulations. I am going to double check because you must be subscribed to all that are in group number 2. So in group 2, we had, let's pop over here to the video and we can find that out. In group 2, you must be subscribed to Rita, Miss Jackie Russell, Tracy and Chloe Unboxing, Bootsy on the Beat, and TEAT at Time Adventures, and Real Life with Hope. And I will go verify and be right back. Okay, it's official. Deb is subscribed to all 6 of us in our group 2. And Deb, congratulations again, everyone. Let's congratulate Deb on her winnings. You have 48 hours to contact me at missjackierussell@yahoo.com and I will get your package out right away. Do remember that YouTube and or any brand products, Habitation Box, are not affiliated with this giveaway, and we will have other giveaways soon and more collabs coming out, so be sure and check my descriptions and stay up to date, and be sure and enter for another chance to win. And as for today, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye bye.